Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine. तो मेरे क्लास 3 के नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, what we are going to read today? Today we are going to read for Mathematics Olympiad. Okay, so in Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? Today we are going to read computation operation, and we have already taken a class of this before. Okay, we have already discussed some questions. In today's class we are going to discuss some more question of this chapter. So shall we start it? Okay, let's start it. So here question number 1. Question number 1 is Aditya had 580 red balls and 420 blue balls. He sold 405 red balls and 211 blue balls. How many more blue balls than red balls does Aditya have? Okay. So what will we do? Here number of red ball, number of red ball, and here number of blue ball. Okay, so number of red ball was 580 and he sold 405. So how many red balls he left with? Here if we minus it, we will get 175 red balls. Okay, about the blue ball, initially it was 420 and he sold 211 blue balls. Then now he is left with how many blue balls? That is 209 blue balls. In the question it is asked that how many more blue balls than red balls. So number of blue ball is 209, okay, and number of red ball is 175. So how many more blue balls are there? How will we get it? We have to subtract them. Then what is the answer? 9 minus 4, 5, 20. Here 10 minus 7, 3, 34. So Aditya is having 34 more blue balls than red balls. Okay. So is it present in our option? Yes, it is present. Where it is present? It is present in option B. Okay. Got it? सबको आ रहा है समझ में? अगर किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन आ रहा है तो वो मुझे पहले से उस वीडियो को पॉज करके उसको सॉल्व करके कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर भेज सकता है. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following subtraction gives 102 as the difference? Which of the following subtraction give 102 as difference? So here four options are given and we have to calculate these options and we have to find out in this between this among this subtraction 102 difference where we are getting. Okay, so first 100 minus 2, and if we want to subtract, then what is the result? It is 98. You can subtract it. And in option B, 200 minus 98, we will get here 102. Option 3, 400 minus 202. Here we are getting 198. Okay. You have to follow the process of subtraction. Okay. However, means whatever method you are following to subtraction, you subtract it properly. Okay. Next, 586 minus 444. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. That is 142. So, in which option 102 is present? It is present in option B. That is 200 minus 98. Okay? है ना easy question? चलो, let's move to the next question. What is the difference between 17,800 and 9,400? So it is asking that we have to find out the difference between 17,000 and 800. 17,800. Okay. Here you can take ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So it is 17,800 and we have to subtract what? 9,400. 9,400. So if we subtract it here 0, 0, 4, Then 17 minus 9, that is 8. 8,400. Okay, we can write them as 8,400. Okay, so is it present in our option? Yes, it is present. Where it is present? It is present in option B. So option B is the correct option for the given questions. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. Our next question is, what is the value of A? Here 160 is given. It is split into 60 and 100. Then 60, it is split into 35 and 25. And 100, it is split into A and 65. So, are you able to understand any relation between them? 160 is 60 and 100. Okay. When we add 60 plus 100, we get 160. Similarly, since below 60, it is written 35 and 25. So, how we get 60? If we add 35 and 25, then we will get 60. Similarly, how to get 100? When we add A with 65, then we get 100. So, what is the value of A? That is equal to 100 minus 65. Okay, that is equal to 35. So, value of A is how much? It is 35. And it is present in which option? चलो ढूंढो, मिला किसी को? कहाँ पे है? It is present in option A. Okay, got it? चलो मजा आ रहा है क्वेश्चन करने में. Let's move to the next question. Our next question is, by how much is 8,905 less than the sum of 2,660 and 6,265? So first we have to find out the sum of these two numbers. What are the numbers? 2,660 and 6,265. When we add them, we will get 5. Then 6 plus 6, 12. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 8,925 is the sum. And we have to find by how much is 8,905 less than the sum. How to get 8,925? This is the sum. And we have to subtract 8,905. Okay. If we subtract it 0, 2. So here if we subtract, then the value comes 20. So by 20 it is less than the sum of 2,660 and 6,265. Okay. So where it is present? It is present in option C. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following has the same value as the product of 985 and 8? Here 4 options are given and we have to find out in which option the product of 985 and 8 are present. So if we add them, 788 plus 10 plus 8. Here 6, 1910, 806. Okay. In option B, 700 plus 80 plus 8, we will get 788. Option C, 7,000 plus 80 plus 8, that is 7,088. Next, 7,000 plus 800 plus 80, 7,880. So, we found the sum of all the options. Now we have to find the product 985 into 8. 8 5 ja 40, 0, 4, then 8 8 ja 64, 4 68, 6, 8 9 ja 72, 6, 7880. So, is the product present in any of the option? Yes, it is present. Where it is present? Tell me. It is present in option D. Okay. So, here the correct option of the question is option D. Got it? Okay. Chalo. Let's move to the next question. Find the number sentence equal to 275 plus 9. Okay, so how to find them? Let me tell you. In option A, it is given 170 into 9 plus 5 into 9. So how can you write them? See here, in the first part, in this part into 9 is present, in this part also into 9 is present. So we can take into 9 as a common thing. Okay, and if we separate into 9, then what is remaining here? 170. Okay, and in between it there is a plus sign, and here if we take out into 9, it is present 5. We have to keep them in bracket. So this is a rule of mathematics. Okay, 107 into 9 we are taking common, then we are left with 170 plus 5, that is equal to 175 into 9. Okay, so can you tell me the next one? Here also into 9 present, here also into 9 present. So we can write into 9 as the common, and in bracket we will write here what is left? 270, and sign plus here what is left? 5. Okay, that is equal to 275 into 9. Got it? The next one you solve and tell me. Into 9 is present is common. Then here what is left? 270, sign is plus, left with 50 here. 270 plus 50, that is 320 into 9. Next, here also into 9 present, we can take it as common, and apart from into 9 here present 27, sign plus, here left with 5, that is equal to 32 into 9. Got it? So these are the simplification of the given options. Now we have to find out 275 into 9. Where it is present? It is present in option B. Okay, got it? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, चलो. Next, move to the next question. Mary bought 9 buckets of 8 rows each. If each row cost rupees 10, how much did Mary spend on the buckets? Okay, bouquet. Mary bought 9 bouquet of 8 rows. Okay, in one 9 bouquet of 8 rows. In one bouquet, how many rows are present? 8 rows. So Mary has 9 bouquets. So how many rows are present in total? 8 into 9, that is equal to 72 rows. Okay. Next one is each rose cost rupees 10. Cost of one rose equal to how much? Rupees 10. Then cost of how many rows Mary have? 72 rows. That is equal to 72 into rupees 10, that is equal to rupees 720. Okay, got it? So कहाँ पे ये option present है? It is present in option B, that is rupees 720. Okay, so समझ में आया सबको? मजा आ रहा है क्वेश्चन करने में? चलो, let's move to the next question. Which of the following is equal to 24 groups of 8? Okay, 24 groups of 8 means the value will be 24 into 8. Okay, and we have to find the options, correct option. So from the option, in option A, it is told that 4 groups of 24. 4 groups of 24 means 4 into 24. Okay. In option B, it is present 8 groups of 48. That is equal to 8 into 48. 4 groups of 48. That means 4 into 48. Okay. Next, 8 groups of 40. That is equal to 8 into 40. Okay. So, which is the correct option? See one thing, if we want, we can multiply all the four options. We can find the value by multiplication. Okay, and it is okay, but it is time taking. So we have to follow shortcut method here. How to follow the shortcut method here? See, here there is 24 and 8. So can we convert it into 24 into 8? Yes, we can convert it. How? Let's see. 24 into 4 is given in option A. 24 into 4 is given, but we need 24 into 8, so it is not correct. Next, 8 into 48. Okay, but we need it in terms of 24. How to get it? Let me tell you. 8, okay, as it is, we have to write it 8 into 48. Can we convert 48 in terms of 24? Yes, 48 is how much? 24 into 2 equal to 48. So, if we have to find it in terms of 24, that is 24 into, apart from 24, what is present? 8 into 2, that is equal to 16. So we can write 8 into 48 equal to 24 into 16. Okay, try to understand it properly. 24 into 16, but we need 24 into 8. So this is not correct. Next, 4 groups of 48, that is equal to 4 into, we have to convert it in terms of 24. Can we? Yes, 48 equal to 24 into 2, and we have to keep 24 constant as we are following a shortcut method. Okay. So apart from 24, what is present? 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is how much? 8. So we can write 4 into 48 as 24 into 8. Okay. And yes, we are looking for that. It is correct. Okay. So as it is correct, why to proceed for group, option D? There is no need. Okay. So our correct option is option C. Got it? आया सबको समझ में? चलो, let's move to the next question and last question of today's video. By which same number, so 231 and 596 be multiplied so that both the products are equal? 231 into how much will be equal to 596 into that same number. So 231 is a number, 596 is a different number. So how can is it possible that if we multiply same number, we will get the same number? Is it possible? Anybody know the answer? If anybody knows, then you can comment. Okay. So what is the 8? What is? Here we can write 0, because 200 into 231 into 0, it will be equal to 0. 596 into 0, it is will be equal to 0. So 0 is the number. If we multiply with both the numbers, we will get the product equal. Okay. So the correct option is option D. So बच्चों, how was the today's section? था ना interesting? Okay, this much for today's video. Let's meet you in my next video with some much more amazing question. Till then, mindfully पढ़ाई करते रहो. Okay, bye.